Good morning, Morgan. Good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for this video. And today we're going to continue our talk about dialects and specifically how you register them, how you list them, create them, delete them. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and let the machine talk to us today about this. And let's get started.
Class CSV, Dialect. The dialect class is a container class whose attributes contain information for how to handle double quotes, whitespace, delimiters, etc. Due to the lack of a strict CSV specification, different applications produce subtly different CSV data. Dialect instances define how reader and writer instances behave. All available dialect names are returned by list_dialects, and they can be registered with specific reader and writer. Classes through their initializer, __init__, functions like this.
All right, and here's your example. And now I guess we need to learn how to unregister them.
CSV.unregister_dialect, name. Delete the dialect associated with name from the dialect registry. An error is raised if name is not a registered dialect name. CSV.get_dialect, name. Return the dialect associated with name. An error is raised if name is not a registered dialect name. This function returns an immutable dialect. CSV.list_dialects. Return the names of all registered dialects. CSV.field_size_limit, new_limit. Returns the current maximum field size allowed by the parser. If new_limit is given, this becomes the new limit. Limit.
All right, well, there you go. So you create them, register them, list them, delete them. And with that, we're done with this video today. Very short video, and we'll see you in the next one. Try not to get in too much trouble. All right.